Love the Seiko 5 family, but looking for a smaller and lighter form factor? Well, Seiko have come through with a solution in the Special Edition Resin Case series. This one here is the SRPG 73K. With a smaller case size of 39mm and a lug width of 18mm, these beauties sit on the wrist far smaller than your typical 41.5mm Seiko 5. This smaller case is also much lighter, being made of this ivory coloured resin. The bezel, which is able to twist in both directions, is also made of the same resin, and the smooth strap is made of silicone. Now, this series is available in 4 different colorways. This one here being the green with ivory and black accents. The dial has this subtle sunburst appearance, which is quite hard to capture on camera, but in person it looks stunning. The navy blue and ivory color combination also looks great, and again uses a sunburst dial. We also have a black and ivory model, which provides a ton of contrast and looks great on the wrist. Finally, we have a monochrome option in the SRPG 81K, this one being all grey with no colour on this one. Don't be scared off by these new dimensions and materials, because these bad boys are still Seiko 5s with the infamous 4R36 movement, which houses a 41-hour power reserve. If you didn't know, the 5 in the Seiko 5 name represents the original 5 key features of every Seiko 5 ever made. These include the automatic movement, day-date display, water resistance, the recessed crown, and a durable case and bracelet. These features combined will make for a great watch, with this series being no exception. Any one of these watches in this series would be a great everyday wear. If you love the 41mm Seiko 5s but feel like they're a little on the larger side, these are just perfect. My wrist measures around 17 centimeters and they fit really well actually. And of course, being made of this resin material, they are super light to wear all day. My favorite model in this series is probably this green one here. I think that ivory color works really well with this sunburst dial, but I've also been told green is my color, so maybe that's why I like it so much. So what do you guys think? Have Seiko made the right choice by creating these smaller options? Let me know in the comments below if you'd wear one, and if you want to pick one up, just click that link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.